you need to learn how to reset your map? Well, let me show you how. All right, so we are on our listing and we happen to check the map to see if our pin is where it needs to be. It's not. So what you would do next is go to Input, go into your listing, select your property type, scroll down to your map, set it manually, put in the address that it's supposed to be, and for newly constructed areas, just try to find something on the map close by, locate, it'll bring you to where you need to be, place a new pin. Now your map is where it needs to be. So in order to make sure it looks like that on the listing, select Done, Submit, and I'm just going to click here just to verify. And my map is where it needs to be, and that is how you reset your map.